Mark pole butt section when more than one piece pole assembly for location to drill a hole, creating access point for low voltage cable for Stargazer. Drill hole no larger than 5/16 for low voltage Stargazer cable to run internal of the flagpole. From fixture to remote power supply external of the flagpole. Stage butt section and top section level on sawhorse or other means so as to not scar or damage pole. Ensure pulling line rope is fed from top section opening through butt section and out of the hand hole. Two pole sections should be placed level to evenly slip together. Liberally coat the top portion of the butt section of the pole with dish soap or wire pulling lubricant. Align the engraved numbers on the butt section and top section. Begin sliding the two sections together. Caution, do this in small increments and constantly rotate both sections together when joining the two sections. Using a wood block and sledge, begin tapping the top section, again constantly rotating the two sections per tap. You do not need to overly pound or force the two together. Slide the flash collar over the top of the pole toward the butt end of the pole. Butt together one end of the pre-roped portion of the truck halyard with one end of the halyard supplied with flagpole kit and tape securely. This will be fed through the truck and down the pole assembly. Feed the halyard provided through the truck assembly until you have retrieved the taped splice. Remove the pre-rope portion from the splice and discard. Attach the low voltage cable along with halyard to pulling line rope fed through the hand hole out the top of the pole. Gently pull the halyard and low voltage cable through the top section of the pole and out the hand hole. Apply Teflon or thread lock tape, not provided, to threads of truck assembly. Gently thread the truck onto the pole and tighten. Be careful not to apply too much pressure on the truck's revolving stop pin. Carefully pull the low voltage cable behind the cam cleat in the hand hole access door and through the remainder of the length of the pole. The rope halyard will exit at the hand hole. Gently feed the low voltage cable back up the pole and through low voltage wire access hole drilled at the beginning of the process. Apply putty compound, not provided, around the low voltage wire at the access hole to the pole. Feed rope halyard through cam cleat bushing and tie off external portion of halyard to retainer ring on retainer ring complete assembly. Double knot at the end of the internal portion of the halyard so the halyard will not slip back through the cam cleat. Join both retainer ring yokes to stainless steel connecting link. Slide completed pole assembly into hole dug to specifications for use with pole setting compound provided. Plumb pole assembly with level at 90-degree increments to ensure pole is straight. Begin mixing pole setting foam compound per instructions on bag or 2-part containers for larger poles, hole size, and pour into foundation location, constantly checking the pole is plumb at 90-degree increments. Ensure line voltage power is turned off to driver assembly location. Connect low voltage and line voltage portion of driver assembly provided with flagpole. This can be either above ground or in ground depending on driver assembly ordered. Turn on 120 volt to 277 volt power to driver assembly. Your Stargazer flagpole assembly is now complete and will beautifully illuminate the US or other flags while preserving our dark skies so others will enjoy stargazing for generations to come.